Experiencing a no key found error on your 2024 Cadillac XT4 due to a dead key fob can be frustrating. However, there are several straightforward methods to unlock and start your vehicle. First, locate the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. Slide or press the release button on the fob to access it. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, to start the engine, press the brake pedal firmly and then press the start button. This bypasses the keyless system. If this doesn't work, you may need to replace the key fob battery. The 2024 XT4 uses a CR2032 battery, easily replaceable by following the instructions in your owner's manual or the Cadillac mobile app. If the mechanical key and battery replacement don't solve the issue, consider these alternatives. If you are enrolled in OnStar, you can contact them for a remote unlock and start. Additionally, the My Cadillac app supports digital keys, allowing you to use your smartphone to unlock and start the car. To prevent future issues, consider these tips. Replace the key fob battery every 1 to 2 years, especially if you notice reduced range. Be aware that extreme temperatures and interference from other electronic devices can affect key fob performance. If problems persist, your Cadillac dealer can reprogram the key fob or check for software updates that improve key fob detection. Cadillac has released updates addressing these issues.